been seeing some, no one had a video on it. If you want to replace your wheel stud without taking everything apart. The only benefit of doing it the way I did it is if you're on the track, you're doing an autocross or you're doing a road course and you break a wheel stud or two, like I did, there's really no way you're going to do this at the track unless you got all your tools there, you know. But so I looked online and everyone's saying just drill through here, all right, and you can walk your stud through. So the only thing with this, it's going to allow moisture to get in, so I have to figure out a way to kind of plug it up. And the other thing is there's a parking brakes pin on a little bar, all right, with secures using that area right there. Now it's been drilled out, so I have to figure out how to do that. Once I figure that out, I'll put a little video and you guys can figure out if there's something you want to do. But I didn't see any videos about it, so that's why I said let me figure out if I can do a video, just show you guys what I'm doing. So right now I got the two wheel studs in. Just gonna just bring this one in. I'll show you. That's a new one. This is a new one. So I just gotta bring it in, and then I'll go about putting this all back together. And like I said, that's not the prettiest, but it works. If you're in the jam, you got to get it done, especially at the autocross or track. They won't let you run with a broken wheel stud. You know, if they don't see it, then you're fine. But if they see it, and it's your safety too, you definitely want to have secure wheels when you're doing an autocross or a road course. Anyway, that's my tutorial for now.